We're going to make some scrambled eggs here. So I've got some butter in the pan and I let it melt and then spread it in the pan here. And my mom, when she used to make scrambled eggs, I mean, she made them really good, but she did an extra step that was, to me, just very unnecessary. She used to have a separate bowl and scramble her eggs with salt and pepper and a little bit of milk in a separate bowl and then put it in the pan. Well, somebody taught me to work smarter, not harder. So I would say eliminate washing an extra bowl and just kind of scramble it in this pan, you know. So I'm going to put 3 eggs. You can put however many you want. And I'm going to put some salt and pepper on them. And I'll put a little bit of milk and I'm just going to scramble it up with a fork and just start cooking it. So I got the eggs in here with the salt and pepper. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of milk. So we added the milk and now I'm just going to scramble it up with a fork. This is what it should look like after you're done scrambling. So now I'm just going to turn the stove on and start cooking it. Anytime you put a top on anything, it's going to cook quicker. This is how I make my eggs, like omelets or when I do fried eggs or anything like that. I put a top on it for a little bit and just keep an eye on it because you don't want to overcook it. As you can see, it's getting firm now for the eggs. So I'm just going to flip it over a few times until it's not running anymore, and then I'm just going to break it up into pieces with the end of my spatula. The scrambled eggs are done, and you can see that I chopped it up with the end of my spatula. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and like our videos and share our videos. Thank you.